It's that time of the month, you already know. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you absolutely need to be selling on your dropshipping store here in October 2023. Now, I've already done all the research for you, and I even checked a sales tracker to be sure that each and every single one of these products are all being scaled currently at the time this video is being posted. But also for each and every single one of these products, I'm going to be revealing to you their exact video ads. I'm going to be showing you the competitor's website, video ad examples, and even the AliExpress link so that way you can look up the product yourself. So if you're excited for today's video, be sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other people on their dropshipping journey as well, be sure to go to the link in the description and sign up for my free Discord server. Now, this is the ultimate dropshipping and e-commerce Discord server. There's a bunch of people in there. Feel free to network with others and learn from each other. Also, there's a bunch of free resources in there, and I'm always constantly chiming into the conversations and giving you guys advice.
All right, guys, so hopping into product number 1, we have this electric foot file for heels. Okay, so pretty much what it does is you turn it on and it scrapes off all the dead skin from the bottom of your feet. So if anybody knows a little bit about this space, a lot of people will use like, a nail file or like just a regular file in general to be able to scrape the bottom of their feet. But this is just all electric, and I believe it solves a huge problem. And it's a product that I believe people would definitely purchase. Okay, so as you can see, here are the different images that AliExpress provides. So you can go ahead and show a lot of before and afters. Like things like this would be fantastic on your website, showing people, different results that they're getting, with the actual file. You're going to be getting the product for $6.48, and I don't see why you can't sell this product for at least $29.99 to $49.99. This product has a 4.5 star. Also, this product has a 4.5 star rating, 25 reviews, over 100 sold. There's also a bunch of other variations of this product when you search it up. So I believe that this is just another reiteration of this product, but previous listings have thousands and thousands of orders. So there's definitely a proof of concept here. So the video ad is very simple. As you can see, they're just showing all the dead skin, them taking it out of the box. And as you can see, it's very easy to scrape all of that off. A lot of people do it manually. So I'm telling you, this product will save, people a bunch of time. And as you can see from their TikTok page, this actual video ad is gaining a lot of traction, 5,700 likes, and over 600 shares. Now heading over to the competitor's product page, this company is called Souk Deals. I believe I'm saying that right. This store is literally just a general store, nothing special. As you can see, they have the product listed here. They're calling it the Electric Feet Callus Remover. They're listing it for 49 AED. I'm not sure what that equates to in US dollars, but that's definitely something that you need to have on your Shopify store, is a currency converter, just in case someone else from another country comes to your website, they know exactly how much your product costs. So moving on, as you can see, they have these like trust badges here. They're not terrible, but one thing I don't really agree with is this hurry, only 5 left in stock. I believe we're at a point now in 2023 where people know that that's a damn lie. So I don't really feel like you need this on your Shopify store. But as you can see, their description is really non-existent. So you can come in and make a better one product branded store. I don't even believe that these GIFs or images are theirs. So there's a lot of high quality imagery and GIFs that you can use for your store. And to top it off, they don't have the most important thing that you need on your product page, and that is reviews. No one's going to purchase from you if you do not have reviews. So that's definitely something that you can capitalize on if you were to start selling this product.
Since it's Q4, dropshippers will be testing a ton of products in hopes to finding a winning product that they can scale up during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And the only way they're going to find a winning product is if they have high quality video ads. A place you're going to be getting all of your video ads created, and where I've been getting my video ads created for years now, is a company called Ecom Ads. Ecom Ads is the most well-known video ad company for dropshippers, and they've made over 50,000 video ads and have served over 25,000 clients. Ecom Ads has a bunch of proven to convert video ad packages. Whether you want video ads for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, UGC content, they got you covered. As you can see, they have tons of testimonials of other dropshippers using their services and making thousands of dollars on their dropshipping stores. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can also check out even more case studies of other people enjoying their service. Now for me personally, when I'm testing products, I always purchase the same exact video ad package. And it's my favorite package that they have. And it's the split testing video ad package and their TikTok split testing package. So I'm gonna show you guys the split testing video package here, and this is for Facebook and Instagram ads. You're gonna be getting 4 different ad variations for your one product. So you're gonna be getting 4 different videos. And you'll get this for $60. I have a code Jaden15. It's gonna take 15% off your purchase. But I highly recommend that you join their VIP program. Now, if you're in their VIP program, you'll be getting this package for $15. So if you're somebody that likes to test a lot of products, I highly recommend that you invest into something like this. And the reason why I say this is because there's no way of getting around it. You need video ads to be able to be successful with dropshipping. There's no cutting corners on this, and you need professionals that know what they're doing. So some of the amazing perks of this VIP program is you're gonna be getting heavily discounted prices on all of their video ads. Like it goes from $60 to $15. One video ad is usually $40, you'll be getting it for $10. And you really can't beat that, especially for the quality. But you're also gonna be getting 24-hour video ad delivery. So as soon as you purchase, you'll get your video ads delivered to you within 24 hours. And this also includes the weekends. And my favorite part is that you're gonna get 24-hour revisions. So you can rest assured that you're gonna get exactly what you asked for, because even if you don't like something, you can just tell them, hey, can you revise this? And they will get back to you with revised video ads within 24 hours. And this is also on the weekends as well. So the great people at Viral Ecom Ads decided to hook it up for my supporters and give you guys 15% off of anything that you purchase on their website if you use code Jaden15 at checkout. So if you're interested and you want to get some high quality video ads made for your dropshipping business, be sure to hit the link at the top of the description or go to the pinned comment.
So hopping into product number 2, we have this LED controller heated vest. Now, if you've been doing dropshipping for a while, you know that this product gets hot at this time of year almost every single year, okay? And this year is no different. Basically what it does is you just put it on and it heats up, okay? So it just keeps you warm, and it's perfect time to sell this product because we are getting into the colder seasons. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your site. And it also comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in red, it comes in black, and it comes in blue as well. Now for this type of product, just be sure that you have the sizing chart on your product page. I wanna make sure that I express that, especially when you're selling clothing. Because sometimes things from AliExpress or overseas can either run really small or they can run really big. So you need to make sure that you have a size chart. Anyways, you're gonna be getting the product for $11.62, and I don't see why you can't sell this product for at least $34.99 to about $39.99. Here is their video ad. As you can see, beat the cold this winter with our heated vest. Say goodbye to nasty colds and shivering. And then you can see all you got to do is just press the button and it heats up. And what I really love about this is their caption here. Wear as a standalone or with your favorite shell. Bulky layers are a thing of the past, and I really like that because most people have to layer and layer and layer to keep warm, and that could be kind of like your angle when you're selling this type of product, is saying, hey, all you got to do is wear this vest and you're good to go. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the engagement. So as you can see, this ad is popping off. It already has 18,000 likes, 3.6K comments, 4.1K shares, and there are a bunch of people saying, I love mine, great investment, asking about the product, where to buy it, so on and so forth. Now hopping into the competitor's product page, the company's called Scorched. I actually really like this name. I think it fits the product fairly well. Their website is pretty decent, I would say. As you can see, they have a really high quality GIF. I actually like this a lot. It shows off where the heating takes place, and it just says adjust your temperature as the weather changes. And they're actually selling this product for $89.95. So maybe I was wrong. You can sell this for a lot more. If that's the case, that's just more money in your pocket, okay? No one's really complaining about that. But one thing that I really think that they could have improved on the product page is the actual features. I think convenient, versatile, and luxurious is a little vague, in my honest opinion. I would have liked to see stuff like 3 adjustable heating levels, and then have something like, some supporting text about that, or, water and wind resistant. I think just convenient, versatile, and luxurious is a little vague in my honest opinion. But anyways, as you can see, they're also including the battery pack as well, and they're going to be selling you that for $129.87. So that's kind of like their upsell. And they also have a bunch of reviews, 693 5-star reviews. I highly recommend that you don't do all 5-star reviews. I've talked about this before in previous videos, but no one has a perfect rating. So if you can throw in some 4-star reviews into your review section, it'll just look a little bit more legit. So hopping into product number 3, we have this air humidifier. So again, this is another type of product that's been around for years, but there's so many different variations and endless amounts of opportunities for you to make this type of product work, okay? So as you can see, here are the air humidifiers. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and they call this the jellyfish because of the way that it shoots out the smoke. So it blows out smoke rings, and it makes for a really cool type of vibe. You'll see once I show you the video ad, you know, how dope this actually is. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different high quality images that you can use. You're gonna be getting the product for $4.84, and I believe the competitor is selling it for $29.99, and that's a pretty good solid markup if you ask me. So let's go ahead and check out the video ad. So I can't play the sound because it is copyrighted, but as you can see, make your room smell like any cologne. They're basically taking the same marketing angle that a lot of people do with this product. It's called the aroma jelly. Add water, add any cologne, and then you can make your room smell like whatever cologne that you choose. But what makes this product unique is the way that it blows the smoke out. As you can see, it kind of puffs up and blows out the smoke in rings. And the TikTok is popping off, 96,000 likes and 130 shares, 679 saves. So this product definitely has some traction. So here's the competitor's website. Again, it's called the Aroma Jelly. They're selling it for $29.99. They have each and every single one of these colors on here, and I believe they're offering them all as well. And their product description's okay. Aromatherapy never looks so good. A wellness diffuser that promotes easier breathing and better health. 2 mist modes. They have some high quality gifs here of the product being used, which I think is fantastic. They could probably clean this up a little bit, in my honest opinion. And then they really don't need this paragraph here. They probably could have just put a trust badge or something like that. But all in all, okay website. I believe that you can come in and do this a lot better. The reviews are lacking as well. Maybe this is a new variation of the product and they don't have you know, many reviews. But if you have that problem where you can't find any reviews for your product on AliExpress, download this app and use this for reviews, because you can also import Amazon reviews. So for product number 4, we have this friendship love letter envelope necklace. Now this product is really cool, and it's something that you would share with your best friend. Okay, so pretty much what it is it's just a necklace, but you can get it personalized to whatever you want. So one person is going to keep the necklace with the envelope, and the other person is going to keep the one with the message inside. So this is great for any like personalization type of stores or anything like that. So you can either get the blank version, or you can have a customized version, and you can put whatever you want on it. Okay, so here's some examples here. Believe in God, Amanda, I love you, or whatever you want to put for your best friend. Now, women would absolutely love this product because it's a great gift. You can give it to a family member, you can give it to a friend. And also the markups in this type of niche are crazy. So since it's jewelry, it has a higher perceived value. So you're only going to be getting the product for $3.34, but you could easily sell this for $29.99. And it comes in a silver color, gold color, and a rose gold color, which you can see right here. So here's the video ad. As you can see, it says I would melt for this, and you can see that they have a you know, custom message. It says I love you mom, or this one says love you forever Ava. I was actually wrong. This is just a gift for one person. It's just supposed to be a cute like customized gift, so that way they can wear the message that you give them around their neck at all times. But nonetheless, this video ad is going absolutely crazy. It has over 550,000 likes, 2,900 comments, over 23,000 saves, and over 8,000 shares. So I know for a fact that this company is making money, and there's definitely demand for this product. So heading over to the competitor's website, the company's called Mimo Canva. Not really sure what else they sell on this site, but as you can see, they have a bunch of high quality images of the product, and they are offering the customized version. Again, you can have it just by itself, but I don't feel like this product would make, you know, any type of sense if you weren't offering the personalized version. So they're selling this product for $16.95, and again, since it's jewelry, you could probably even find it cheaper than the $3.33 that's on AliExpress. Especially if you're buying this product in bulk, you can get this for a few dollars, if that. Okay, so the margins are definitely there. As you can see, their headline just says a love letter worth 1,000 words, and it shows a photo here. They definitely need some, you know, improvements on their product description, but this is where you can come in and definitely make a better one product branded store. And they have some reviews here of other customers enjoying the product, and it actually looks pretty good and high quality based on the reviews here. So definitely don't sleep on this product. These types of products crush during this time of year, and this is definitely one that you should look into. So for the final product on this list, we have this anti-peeping magnetic tempered glass case for the iPhone. They also have it for Android as well. And what I love about these types of products is that every person on the planet pretty much at this point has a smartphone. So, you know, the targeting is endless when it comes to this type of product. So pretty much what it is, it's a privacy screen, but in the form of a case. So you'll put your phone inside like this, and the magnet shuts it closed. And then when anyone's like next to you, they can't see what you're typing. So if you're at work and you don't want people looking over your shoulder and seeing what you're texting, this case will help with that. And you'll see more what I'm talking about when I show you the video ad. But as you can see, there's a bunch of high quality images here, so you can make a really nice one product branded store. And what I love again is that there's so many different variations, so you can touch a whole bunch of different people. And it comes in a bunch of colors. You have a black version, blue version, gold, so on and so forth. And you're going to be getting the product for $4.44. And typical price of a case really is about, like, I would say $29.99. So the margins are definitely there. And as you can see, there's definitely a demand for the product. It has a 4.3 star rating, over 290 reviews, and over 2,000 units sold. Hopping into the competitor's video ad, as you can see, it's just a privacy screen case. It's magnetic. You can only see it if you're looking directly at it. Like, you can't see anything from the side. So you'll be able to hide your text from people that are sitting next to you. It's available in a bunch of colors, so on and so forth. It's a very straightforward product, and it's really easy to make organic content with this type of product. But as you can see from the right side right here, this video ad is popping off. It has over 100,000 likes, 1,900 comments, 26,000 saves, and over 3,000 shares. So you can definitely tell that this product has demand. So the competitor that's selling this product is a company called Tectario. Now, they sell a bunch of other products, so it's not just iPhone related products, so you can really come in and make a one product branded store for this. They're selling it for $29.99, and that's pretty standard for an iPhone case and extremely affordable. But what I love most about their product description is this buy more, save more section. So it's really important that you have this to help boost your average order value, especially with this type of product, because when you have this type of product on your store, people are going to want to purchase more than one. And if they do, they get rewarded with a discount. So you may be a mom out there that wants to purchase this product, but you also have a son and a daughter that also want new cases. So this is definitely the type of product that you want to have, a section just like this. But as you can see, their product description needs work. There's no high quality gifts, which I'm really surprised, because their video ad was great. They could have added, some clips here, showing off the product, showing that it's magnetic, showing that you can't see the screen from the sides, so on and so forth. And they also have barely any reviews. They have 88 reviews, which is okay, but none of them are actual image reviews. And it's so important that you have image reviews because it shows real customers using your product. And they also need to be sorted by images first. So you don't want to have these text reviews first. So even if you have text and image reviews, it's fine, but you want to make sure that the image ones are sorted first. But at the very bottom, they have this frequently bought together section, which is nice as well, because they're able to pair other iPhone cases with this main product to help boost that average order value and to help their customers, purchase more on their store. But all in all, this product description isn't the greatest. You can definitely come in and improve on this.
All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you learned something today and you got some value from this video, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that needs some one-on-one help with your dropshipping business and you need myself and my team to literally walk you through the entire process and help you get results, be sure to go to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. Now, spots are definitely limited. We don't accept everyone, so be sure you act quickly on this opportunity. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.